Procedures for professional teeth whitening. Examining the lighting. The color of your teeth will be the first thing the dentist notes. This will give you a better sense of how much whitening is necessary for your teeth. Additionally, it will assist the dentist in determining how concentrated the whitening agent needs to be to achieve that shade. Polishing and cleaning. Your teeth will then be cleaned and polished by the dentist using pumice. Since a dry surface absorbs the whitening chemical better than wet ones, your dentist may even leave a gauze pad in your mouth for a bit. Prior to teeth whitening, cleaning your teeth can also assist remove any plaque that may be present. Following that, the dentist will use retractors to prevent your lips, tongue, and gums from obstructing the whitening chemical. Using the whitening agent to coat. Your teeth will be coated with hydrogen peroxide solution, the most effective bleaching chemical for teeth whitening. Your teeth's front side will receive a coating, but their backside won't. This is due to the fact that teeth whitening just serves to enhance the appearance of your smile, and no matter how broadly you smile, the backs of your teeth won't be seen. The treatment penetrates your teeth's pores momentarily to whiten your teeth by combating stains from the inside out. Before deciding to move on to the next step, the dentist would leave the coating on your teeth for over 30 minutes. Rinsing. After that, your mouth will be properly rinsed. This is done to get rid of any solution leftovers. If the dentist decides to brush your teeth as well, do not be shocked. This is most likely as a result of the fluoride treatment in the subsequent stage. The application of fluoride. Finally, a fluoride varnish brush will be used to clean your teeth. Fluoride is administered to maintain the brightness of your teeth and the newly attained level of whiteness. Additionally, as plaque acts as a catalyst in discoloring your teeth, fluoride aids in its removal from your mouth. That's all there is to the whitening procedure. The ADA cautions that some transient tooth discomfort may occur following teeth whitening. However, it disappears quickly. Want to keep your skin that white for a very long time? It often only lasts for 6 months. However, to extend the life of the whiteness in your teeth, avoid things like coffee, smoking, and starchy foods, to mention a few. If you are interested in whitening your teeth, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.